Alright guys, 2014 Toyota RAV4, how to reset the oil light. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use this button here. We're gonna bring this to trip 8. Alright, so if you're in a different trip, just press this button several times till you come on trip 8. Once you're on trip 8, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold this button down and I will be putting the key onto accessory. Alright, so I'll have this off, then I'll hold this button down and then I'll turn the key. Okay, you're not gonna be able to see it because I'm gonna put the camera towards here. And let's take a look at this and let's do this. All right, so let me put my light here. I'm gonna hold the button down, display button here, and then I'm gonna turn the key and you're gonna see these lights flash here. Once this is finished flashing, you're done. All right, and that's how you reset the maintenance light on a 2014 Toyota RAV4. All right, so again, what you do is you put the car onto trip 8, you have the key off, you're gonna hold this button down, do not let it go, and you're gonna put the key on and then pay attention to this, and this is gonna flash and it's gonna reset when it's done flashing all the little dots.